When creating a SharePoint site, you can use SharePoint site templates to save you time and help enforce company policies for site design, branding, functionalities, and content. To apply a SharePoint template to a site, you need to be the owner of the SharePoint site or have high-level permissions. To apply a template, create a team or communication site within your SharePoint workspace, or choose an existing site you wish to apply a SharePoint site template to. Click on Home to see the site settings icon. Click Apply a Site Template. You can pick any template from Microsoft or from your organization. The From Microsoft tab offers you scenario-based SharePoint online templates. You can use any of these templates to create effective SharePoint sites for departments, team collaboration, employee onboarding, and more. The From Your Organization tab shows customized items that have been developed by your organization to solve business problems. Custom site templates empower your team to make your business processes more effective and productive. Choose a template and click Use Template to restructure the existing site. A progress bar will show you that the SharePoint site is applying the template. Once the processing is complete, the page will reload. You've now applied a SharePoint online template. You can customize the template to rebrand the site according to your company's guidelines. Click the Edit icon. Select any element you wish. Click on Edit Web Part. Make any changes you wish. Click Save as Draft or Republish to apply customizations. You can also experience the design and usage dynamics by visiting the SharePoint Lookbook. It shows a preview and description for all SharePoint templates that Microsoft offers you for free. To make your SharePoint sites more secure, try Syskit Point, where you can control external sharing, know who has access to critical files, automate M365 governance, and set up security alerts, and much more. For more Microsoft 365 tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and check out our Syskit blog.